I had that dream that I was going to walk down the aisle and that a beautiful and big church with a princess gown.
Wedding dresses, an iconic symbol of marriage and one that can make up a big part of a bride's budget.
My wedding gown was $950.
Now, when it comes to dresses, you can get them for $500, you can get them for $20,000. But one thing's for sure, you can get creative whether you're a dress shop owner or a customer, and you can cut that cost. One way, selling that dress on consignment.
It is catching on with the girls, and they are enjoying it. And they like to hear that somebody bought their dress and is happy in their dress also.
You can check thrift shops for wedding dresses, or you may be able to find a deal online. Just beware of laying out big bucks for a dress that you don't see first. You might not like the quality, and you may not be able to return it. You could also do what so many grooms do. Don't lose your head and just rent. This shop rents not only dresses, but also the accessories that go with them. Some regular clothing retailers are selling wedding dresses, or you can choose a nice non-wedding dress for the occasion. Handy with a sewing machine or know someone who is? Make your own. Let me tell you something. If there was ever a situation where it was appropriate to substitute your imagination for your money, this is it. You want more ways to save on weddings? I've got them for you. Just go to moneytalksnews.com and do a search for wedding savings. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.